This is Beuta's steel landscape edging, made from Corten steel. Beuta's steel edging offers a premium, modern, yet rustic look with the same easy install as our signature faux-stone edging. The main difference between our steel edging and our faux-stone block edging is really just an aesthetic choice. Same problem solved, same easy install, just with a different look and material. Corten steel is a marine-grade steel that's meant to develop a rust-like, oxidized, or patina finish that stops further deterioration from happening. If you've ever noticed a large bridge or even some buildings with a rust-like look, it's probably Corten steel and holding up just fine. Out of the box, this edging will have more of a blue steel look and will patina over time. If you leave it up to nature, it'll often take anywhere from 6 months to a year to reach full patina. If you want to achieve the patina look right away, you can do it with a few household items, with instructions linked here. While all of the edging sections are Corten steel, we do offer clips in Corten and stainless steel. This gives you an additional aesthetic choice to make. Keep it consistent with Corten steel all the way, or add an extra pop with shiny stainless steel clips. You'll notice the top of the edging has a rolled edge. This not only reduces the sharpness, but also gives it just the right amount of rigidity while still being flexible when needed. We also left our edging intentionally flat on the bottom, allowing for easier installation in hard soil, letting the pins do the work of making sure it is secure. We offer a variety of heights and lengths to fit your project, with 9.5 inch, 6.5 inch, and 4.5 inch heights. All of these heights are available in 4 foot, 2 foot, 1 foot, and 6 inch lengths. With the pieces just lining together for install, this makes measuring for your project a breeze. Just add up the length of your sections to achieve your project length. That's everything you need to know about Beuta's steel edging. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our customer service. We're always happy to help.